guys, welcome back to my channel. So ignore the hair. I'm obviously about to do a makeup tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be doing like a no makeup look slash everyday makeup look. This has been requested, and honestly, this is just like the first day that I've had somewhere to go that I actually care what I look like. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. If you have not already, make sure you hit the red subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, turn on notification bells, and follow me on all my social media platforms. They will be linked down below in the description box, along with every product that I am about to use on the face. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hopefully my battery doesn't die, but I think I'm good. Alright, so I have already dampened my beauty blender, so that's good. Now I don't think I'm going to wear foundation and everything, just because I don't wear foundation on a no makeup look or everyday makeup look, so I'm trying to keep this as real as I can. I think what I'm going to do first is obviously prime my skin. So let me find my primer. Actually, I think I'm going to use, because I've used this primer a couple of times, I really like it. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. Hopefully it's focusing. I actually got this for free from Sephora with my Sephora points, so super awesome. It looks like this. It's like this purple liquid stuff. I don't want to make a mess, so just going to put this on the face. Got a haircut, in case y'all didn't notice. I love the way it smells, but y'all know me, I'm bad at describing scents, so we're not even gonna try. Okay. Alright, so that is on my face. Sorry, I have to use this mirror to look. And I already put on like a pink tinted lip balm, so I'm probably not going to do lips right now. If I do one, I'll just do like a nude lip later. Okay, I'm going to let that soak into my face for a little bit, like a couple of seconds. And now I'm going to just take my handy dandy Holy Grail Ride or Die Concealer Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. I'm honestly kind of surprised that I'm not running out of this yet, because I have used so much of this and I don't have a backup, so knock on wood that I don't run out before I can get to Ulta and get one. Speaking of Tarte Shape Tape, comment down below your thoughts on the, I'm just gonna put this on my eyes as a primer too, on the Shape Tape like fiasco, I guess you could say, for their foundation. I love Tarte. I have a lot of Tarte products, but I think it's a load of crap that they did not just release everything at once, because they knew dang well that they were going to get people complaining about what they did. I mean, come on, like, let's be honest here. If you release a product and it's not for every skin tone, then like what are you doing? Like, I mean, I'm obviously not even in the beauty industry. I don't have a makeup line or anything, obviously. Goals though. But I mean, I don't know. I probably shouldn't be sitting here complaining because someone from Tarte like could be watching my video. I mean, yeah, right, but hey, I can dream. Anyways, the point is, just release everything at once, because you already know you're going to get backlash, and you already know you're going to get people that want to try the foundation and can't because you don't have their shade. So they're already going to be throwing shade at you. No pun intended. That was lame, but you know. They're obviously going to be really upset because they want to try your products and you don't have their shade. So comment down below what y'all think about that. I cannot wait to watch This Is Us. It's already like pulled up on my computer and I was about to watch it, but then I was like, I'm just going to go ahead and film. So that's what we're doing. I love This Is Us. It's so good. Do y'all watch it? Comment down below. I freaking love that show. Like, I liked that show and I was not expecting to like it. Like, I just watched it because I was like, oh, the previews look really cool. And yeah. Okay, I just put that Shape Tape on my face, as y'all saw. I'm not going to set it just because Shape Tape does not crease. So, I think I'm good. I'm going to take my Hoola Light bronzer, and then I'm also going to take my Physicians Formula bronzer just because I am extra AF when it comes to bronzing my face. And I'm not wearing foundation, so I'll need to be as bronzed as I can because I don't want to look too pale. But this is a really good bronzer. If you have not tried it, I don't know what you're doing with your life. It's amazing. It's super pigmented. And you just need it on your face and in your life. I love it. But anyway, so I started watching This Is Us, like, obviously when it came out. I was not expecting to like it as much as I did, but it was literally like one episode in and I loved it. That's how it was with Grey's Anatomy too. Like, oh my god, Grey's Anatomy was amazing. I also put a little bit on my lids too. Actually, I lied. I'm not going in with my Physicians Formula just because I like the way how that looks on my skin. Okay, for blush, I'm going to take just a little bit of Tarte blush, Unstoppable. And my blush brush, this is just an EcoTools brush. That brush I was using a minute ago was from Morphe. And I'm just going to dust out my cheeks a little bitty bit. I've also been watching this girl named Brianna Fox. I'll try to remember to link her channel down below. And she's really, really good. She's super underrated. And I don't even know how I found her. I just like found her on an accident one day. But she talks about the way that you're supposed to hold your brush. Because like I normally hold my brush up here. And you saw me just now. Like I slid my fingers back here. Because she says that when you slide your fingers back on your brush, it just really helps like balance the brush in your hand. Actually, I forgot what she said. But you're supposed to hold your brush like this. And I always forget that. But it really does make a difference, I feel like. Okay. Highlight. For highlight, I've been using this so much. This is what I talked about in my What I Got for Christmas video. The packaging is everything. This is a Sleek palette, Solstice palette. And normally what I do is I just take these two shades right here, the pink and the orange. I don't want to blind y'all. And I just put them on this e.l.f. brush. Or sometimes I will take a fan brush, which may be what I do today. Spray it with a little bit of setting spray. And I just highlight my cheeks. I better not hit pan on this. I really love this so much. I'm just mixing them together. And let's highlight. I'm just going to put some on the bridge of my nose. Like, look at that. See how blinding that is? I don't remember what I was saying now. Crap, I'm so bad at multitasking. Oh, I was going to pick up the other, like, I got this at Walgreens, like I said in my video. And, like, they had one more left when I was there the other day with my mom. But I put it back because it was still, like, originally this was all $30, but this was marked down to $15, which I'm probably going to kick myself for not getting it. But if I'm being honest, I only use this. Like, I don't use the eyeshadow, and I gave the blush away in my giveaway. So I was like, $15 for a highlight. I mean, that's not that bad because I think Champagne Pop and, like, Jeffree Stars are more than that. And considering this is drugstore, that's really not that bad. So I'm hoping I don't regret my decision of putting that back. I may go see if they have it and get it. If they still have it, I may get it. We're just going to kind of do a subtle glow because this is supposed to be like an everyday makeup look. And yeah. So that's what that was. Really love it. I don't know if I wanted to. Now I'm just going to take my beauty blender and like press that into my skin. This just really helps just to kind of get your makeup to stay on your face a lot better. It's just so nice. I love that highlight so much. Okay, done with the face. Okay, I lied. I gotta put this up. If y'all are wondering where my makeup is, it's actually like underneath the camera, so that's what's going on. Okay, for eyes, I'm just gonna do something quick and simple. First of all, I'm just gonna run this Essence Brow Gel that I'm almost out of straight in my brows. Because I need to go get my eyebrows waxed really bad. Okay. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Just so my eyes aren't so bare, I'm just going to take this e.l.f. This is the Mad for Matte palette. And it looks like this. It's all of these pretty browns and like pinks and stuff. I'm just going to take this e.l.f. brush. It says just an e.l.f. crease brush. And I'm just going to run like these two colors right here together. These are really pigmented though. So, do that. I'm just going to put these in my crease so there's something there. And then I'm going to just make sure it's blended. And then curl my lashes. Add on some mascara, and then we are mascara setting spray, and then we are done. Okay, for mascara, I'm actually going to use, I would use Benefit Roller Lash because it is bomb, but I just got this in a Birchbox, as y'all saw. This is the Stila huge extreme lash mascara. I've used it once, and I really like the way it makes my lashes look. So I'm just going to do that. Really hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to have to add liner. I lied, because I look weird without eyeliner on. Okay. For liner, I'm going to just, let's see, I think I'm down to like one eyeliner. No, I lied. I have this, I'm going to use my e.l.f. one, my Morphe one, but I'm going to change it up and use this e.l.f. one. This actually has like little specks of glitter in it, and since I'm wearing a matte eye for like the first time in a million years, I'm just going to put this on my top lash line. Okay, cool. A million times better. And then I'm gonna let that settle for a minute before I spray my face because it will get everywhere. And see, this is just a quick little makeup tutorial so you look like you're wearing something on your face. I may actually spray my Mario Badescu Rosewater spray instead of my other setting spray just because A, I'm running out of that one, and B, I don't ever use this as a setting spray and I want to see if it really works as a setting spray or if it's just better to like rehydrate. So here we go. Okay, this look is complete because like I said, I already had on a lip. So let's take this down. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I think my next video is going to be where I mix my primers, foundations, and liquid highlights. And it would be concealer, but I only have one for a video and then put them on my face because I saw Nicole Guerrero do that and it was a really, really cool video. So I may do that. And then also I have like a haul video coming up with first impressions as well. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything will be linked down below. Bye guys.